Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to make a floating bouquet of balloons without using any helium. This is an easy hack for people who don't have helium handy on them. The tools you're going to need for today's video are 10 balloons, a hand pump or an electrical pump to blow up your balloons, clear fishing wire to hang your balloons, balloon glue dots to connect your balloons together, ribbon to hang from your balloons, a thumbtack, and scissors to cut anything that's unnecessary. Now that we got all the tools, let's get on with the video. First, we're going to blow up all 10 balloons. Next, you're going to take glue dots and form the balloons into a triangle. So all you will have to do is connect two sides together and then put glue dots on each balloon to connect the third balloon. You will need to make 3 layers of these balloon triangles. To attach each triangle layer of balloons, you will just need to use your glue dots. In this video, we only go up 3 layers with 10 balloons, but if you want to go up more, you are more than welcome to. But once you hit the top, all you gotta do is place 1 balloon in the center of your triangle. Now it's time to attach the ribbon to the knot of the balloons. Make sure you do this with all of them except for the one at the very top. To hang your balloons, you're going to wrap fishing wire around a thumbtack and attach it to the wall. Next, you will wrap the fishing wire around that very top balloon. And now you have a floating balloon bouquet with no helium used. And there you have it. That is how you make a floating bouquet of balloons without using helium. Leave a comment down below if there's any other balloon hacks that you want us to try, but also like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!